History of peaches. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Days of the World. Today we're diving into the sweet and juicy history of one of the world's favorite fruits, the peach. From its ancient roots in China to its journey across continents, the story of the peach is as rich as its flavor. The peach is believed to have originated in China more than 4,000 years ago. Archaeological evidence suggests that peaches were cultivated in China as early as 2000 BCE. These early peaches were enjoyed not just for their taste, but also for their symbolic significance in Chinese culture. The peach embarked on a flavorful journey westward along the Silk Road, the ancient trade route connecting East and West. It found its way to Persia, where it became a prized fruit and contributed to its scientific name, Prunus persica. Even though its true origins were in China, peaches became associated with affluence and were enjoyed by the elite in ancient Rome and Greece. The Romans cultivated peaches in their extensive gardens, and Pliny the Elder, a Roman naturalist, mentioned them in his writings. As the peach spread westward, it became a part of the rich agricultural traditions in the Middle East. Islamic civilization further contributed to the cultivation of peaches. European explorers, including Columbus and later Spanish and Portuguese colonizers, brought peach seeds to the Americas. Spanish missionaries introduced peaches to the United States in the 16th century, and this delectable fruit found a new home in the fertile soils of the New World. The peach found a welcoming home in the southeastern United States, particularly in states like Georgia. Known as the Peach State, Georgia has become synonymous with delicious, sun-kissed peaches. The climate in the southeastern United States, particularly in states like Georgia, proved conducive to peach cultivation. While peaches originated in China, they continue to be a vital part of agricultural traditions in various Asian countries. Japan, Korea, and other nations cultivate their varieties, adding their own unique twist to the peach story. Different varieties of peaches are cultivated in Japan, Korea, and other parts of Asia. Over the centuries, through selective breeding, numerous peach varieties have been developed, each with its unique taste, texture, and color. Peaches are not just historical, they're a culinary delight. From pies to jams and salads to sauces, this versatile fruit has found its way into kitchens worldwide. It's also a symbol of positivity, representing themes like longevity and good luck in various cultures. Today, through careful breeding, we have a plethora of peach varieties, each with its distinct flavor and characteristics. Modern peach cultivation involves advanced agricultural practices to ensure a bountiful harvest. Peaches have become a versatile ingredient in culinary traditions worldwide, used in desserts, jams, sauces, and salads. Peaches are not only delicious, but also offer a variety of health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. Rich in nutrients, peaches are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, and dietary fiber. Antioxidant properties. Peaches contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene and chlorogenic acid, which can help neutralize free radicals in the body. Antioxidants play a role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. The high vitamin C content in peaches contributes to the support of the immune system. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of white blood cells and collagen. Peaches are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, helps prevent constipation, and supports a healthy digestive system. The presence of antioxidants and vitamin C in peaches may contribute to skin health by promoting collagen production and protecting the skin from oxidative damage. Potassium in peaches is essential for maintaining heart health. It helps regulate blood pressure, and a diet rich in potassium is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Peaches are low in calories and a good source of fiber. Including them in a balanced diet can contribute to feelings of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. Peaches have a high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for various bodily functions, including temperature regulation and nutrient transportation. Some compounds found in peaches, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, may have anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases. Peaches contain small amounts of calcium and phosphorus, which are important minerals for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Certain compounds in peaches, including antioxidants and polyphenols, have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. While research is ongoing, including a variety of fruits and vegetables in the diet is generally recommended for cancer prevention. Peaches are naturally sweet, making them a tasty and nutritious alternative to processed sweets and desserts. As with any fruit or food, it's essential to consume peaches as part of a balanced and varied diet to maximize their health benefits. Individual nutritional needs may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist can provide personalized advice. While peaches offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential disadvantages or considerations associated with their consumption. Keep in mind that individual responses to foods can vary, and these points may not apply to everyone. Here are some potential disadvantages of peach fruit. Allergic reactions can range from mild symptoms, such as itching or swelling, to more severe reactions like difficulty breathing. If you suspect an allergy, seek medical attention. Oral allergy syndrome, OAS. People with pollen allergies, such as birch pollen allergy, may experience cross-reactivity with certain proteins in peaches. This can lead to OAS, causing mild symptoms like itching or tingling in the mouth and throat. Pesticide residue. Conventionally grown peaches may have pesticide residues, which can be a concern for some individuals. Washing or choosing organic peaches can help reduce exposure to pesticides. High sugar content. Peaches, while naturally sweet, contain natural sugars. Individuals monitoring their sugar intake due to health conditions like diabetes should be mindful of the carbohydrate content in peaches. FODMAPs content. Peaches contain certain types of carbohydrates known as FODMAPs, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. Some individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or sensitivity to FODMAPs may experience digestive discomfort after consuming peaches. Peaches, like many fruits, contain oxalates. In some individuals, a high intake of oxalates may contribute to the formation of kidney stones. People prone to kidney stones may need to moderate their oxalate intake. Short shelf life. Peaches have a relatively short shelf life and can spoil quickly, especially if not stored properly. This can lead to food waste if not consumed in a timely manner. Environmental impact. The cultivation and transportation of peaches, like many crops, have environmental implications. This includes the use of water, energy, and transportation resources. Interactions with medications. Peaches contain compounds that may interact with certain medications. For example, they contain vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications. Individuals taking medications should consult their healthcare provider about potential interactions. Fiber content. While fiber is generally beneficial, some individuals with gastrointestinal conditions, such as inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, may need to monitor their fiber intake. Peaches, being a good source of fiber, could contribute to symptoms in some cases. It's important to note that the disadvantages listed here may not apply to everyone, and many people can enjoy peaches as part of a healthy diet without experiencing any negative effects. As with any food, moderation and individual tolerance should be considered. Peaches are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, both sweet and savory. Some of the recipes are here. You can make at home easily. Peach cobbler, classic and comforting. Peach cobbler is a crowd pleaser. Ingredients: fresh or canned peaches, sugar, flour, baking powder, milk, butter. Mix peaches with sugar, layer in a baking dish. Combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and milk to make a batter. Pour batter over peaches and bake until golden brown. Grilled peaches with honey and yogurt. A simple and elegant dessert or snack. Ingredients: fresh peaches, honey, Greek yogurt, cinnamon, halvi and pit peaches. Grill until caramelized. Drizzle with honey, sprinkle with cinnamon, and serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt. Peach ice cream. Ingredients: fresh peaches, sugar, heavy cream, whole milk, vanilla extract. Puree peaches with sugar. Combine with a mixture of heavy cream, whole milk, and vanilla extract. Freeze according to your ice cream maker's instructions. Grilled peach and prosciutto salad. Ingredients: mixed greens, grilled peaches, prosciutto, feta cheese, balsamic vinaigrette. Instructions: grill peach slices and assemble with mixed greens, prosciutto, and feta. Peach glazed chicken. A delicious twist on classic grilled chicken. Ingredients: chicken breasts, peach preserves, soy sauce, garlic, ginger. Mix peach preserves, soy sauce, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Brush over grilled chicken during the last few minutes of cooking. Feel free to get creative and adapt these recipes to your taste preferences. Whether you prefer sweet or savory, peaches can add a burst of flavor to your meals. And there you have it, the incredible journey of the peach. If you enjoyed this fruity adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.